Well, guys, I finally got it. I got the HEB Texas pan made by Lodge. This one is a size 10, which is a 12-inch skillet. It's got some heft to it, just like the regular ones. As you see there, it's 12-inch. It's got the label in it, which that'll come out. So it's the road trip skillet. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and pull out the paper insert. I'm going to scrub this thing up. And we're going to take and use it. We're going to make some cornbread. Alright guys, we are going to take and get this mixed up. Got the skillet cleaned and dried. And it's in the oven at 400 degrees. Hopefully it won't take too long for it to get all warmed up. We'll take and put our milk in. Now there is one thing that I definitely do different than the recipe calls for, is when I do this, I add 3 eggs if I'm using 2 boxes. If I'm using just 1 box, I'll definitely add 2. So, I mean, I always add at least 1 extra egg. It just seems like it holds it together better, and it's not as crumbly as soon as you try to cut a piece off and, you know, it goes everywhere. So do it like this just to make sure that it stays together good, cooks good. And I don't want it just totally falling apart as soon as I grab it out of the pan or cut off a little piece. Alright guys, as soon as the pan gets done, we'll take and get it moved over. Alright guys, it is up to 400 degrees. Spray it with a little go-go juice. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but like I said, I don't want it to stick. Shouldn't stick on this one anyway, but we'll put it on there good. We'll get this poured in there. We should, with 2 packs in this size skillet, should take right at 15 minutes. Get all that in there. Come on, get in there. Alright, got it in there. You can see it starting to bubble a little bit around the edges where it's already starting to cook. So I will get this thing back in the oven. Alright guys, there she is. Taking looks like it's separated around the edge of the pan. Stick that in there. Nothing stuck to the knife at all. So let's see how she does. We're going to lift this up a little bit. Move that out of the way. Slide my favorite little plate for cornbread over there. We'll see if we can flip. Yep, it flew right out of there. Nothing stuck at all. Set this here. And of course it's upside down. But you can see that it did good. Cooked good on the bottom too. We'll flip this little boy like that. Set that there. Put that there. Now you probably see why I like this plate for cornbread, because it fits those perfect. We'll make one little cut with a butter knife. And we'll make another one. Reach under here. Look at that. I didn't even let it cool down. It is quite hot right now, but it turned out really good. So first cook in that little skillet, did an awesome job. Cornbread came out great. Wife made beans. It's been a great day. Hope everybody has a good one.